In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive straight into it. First things first, you need to open your browser and navigate to drive.google.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section titled My Drive. Click on that. This will bring up all your stored documents, spreadsheets, photos, everything you've saved in your drive. Now that you're looking at your files, let's talk about sorting them. If you have a lot of documents, it can become overwhelming to find specific files. So looking at the top of your file list, you'll notice a column header labeled Name. There's a small arrow next to it. Go ahead and click on that. This action will sort all your files and folders alphabetically. Trust me, it's a game changer. You'll be able to locate specific items by their titles in no time. But we're not done yet. Google Drive has some advanced sorting options that can really streamline your experience. At the top of your file list, you'll find a sorting menu, which usually defaults to Last Modified by Me. Clicking on this menu will reveal more options. For instance, you can sort by Last Modified or Last Opened by Me. The latter option is particularly handy if you're trying to find documents you've worked on recently. It saves you from having to dig through multiple folders just to locate that one file you were editing last week. Now, while sorting is a fantastic way to enhance your organization, maintaining your drive regularly is just as crucial. I recommend setting aside some time each week to review your files. During this time, you can archive or delete documents that you no longer need. This practice will help prevent digital clutter, making it easier for you to find what you actually need. Another key aspect of organizing your Google Drive is creating designated folders for your most important files. Think about it. Having a clear structure can save you so much time in the long run. For example, you could create individual folders for work, personal projects, or family photos. As you gather more files, just move them into these relevant folders. This way, your vital data is always easy to find. Now, I understand that organizing can sometimes feel like a tedious task, but believe me, the benefits are worth it. With a well-organized Google Drive, you'll be more productive, less stressed, and ready to tackle any project that comes your way. Remember, organizing is not a one-time job. It's an ongoing process. As new files come in, keep this system in mind and make it a habit to review your drive regularly. You'll find that a little maintenance goes a long way in creating a seamless experience for yourself. That's all I've got for you today on organizing your Google Drive. With these simple steps, you can create an organized digital workspace that suits your needs. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you found this video helpful. Happy organizing!